Those bouncing chests! Those perfectly sculpted arm muscles! Those evenly spread men's hair! And that fragrance from his body! No, not merely a body, but a work of art!
Smash!
What does the scouter say about that green dude and his...
It's over 99,000 and still rising! Awesomeness overload! It seems we underestimated those costume freaks. We must start fusion now, Kakarot.
Ready when you are.
Fusion!
Ha!
Gay! What?
Never call Super Saiyans gay.
That's right, Kakarot. You've done a great job today.
Ha! Gay!